Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Shah. In this video, we'll learn how DHCP works, install DHCP role in both DC and configure DHCP failover between them. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Let's begin. Let's go to our DC0 first. As you can see, there is no DHCP role installed. Go to Manage, add roles and features. Next, next, next. Here is DHCP server. Click on it, add feature, next, 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 install. Let's do the same to our DC1 backup server. Click manage, add roles and feature, next, 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 DHCP server, check, add feature, next, 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 install. Give it a few seconds. While it's installing, let me tell you about DHCP. The DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is like a network helper that automatically gives devices an IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server when they join a network. This means you don't have to manually configure every computer or device, and it prevents IP conflicts. For example, when your laptop connects to Wi-Fi, DHCP assigns it an IP address so it can talk to other devices and access the internet immediately. So DHCP saves time, reduces errors, and make network management much easier. Okay, so here it looks like this is installed. Close. Come over here. Notification. We are on DC1 right now. Okay, let's do DHCP. Let's configure DHCP first on DC0 so that this becomes the primary one. Close. Over here, notification. Click on it. Make sure you are on DC0 right now. Complete DHCP configuration. Next. This is the administrator is the login name and HO is the domain name. Commit, close, and we are done. And you can see DHCP is here. Let's go to DC1. Do the same thing. Over here, notification, complete DHCP configuration. Next, commit, and we are done. Close. DHCP is here. Now let's go back to DC0, primary domain controller. Go to tools, look for DHCP, click on it, open, just expand, IPv4. We only need to work on IPv4. Right now, nothing is configured. There is no scope. So, and don't worry about IPv6 right now. Right click on your domain controller. And here you can see, sorry, not on domain controller. Right click on IPv4 and then click on new scope. Next, give it a name. I'm giving it H0. Next, start IP address. A subnet is 10.10.10 10.10.10.1. Never use 0 because 0 is the subnet, is the network address. Sorry, 0 is the network address and 255, the last IP address, is the broadcast address. 10.10.10.254. I'm not using 255. And over here, I can change it to 24 bit mask. Next, Exclusion and delay. So I will exclude 10.10.10.100. 100 is our DC0 to 10.10.10.120. So I'm excluding right now 20 IP addresses that DHCP won't assign. The rest of the IP addresses DHCP can assign to clients. Add and then click next. This is fine. And if you want to change it, you can change the timing and days. Next. Yes, I want to configure these options now. Next. This is the router address. So our router is 10.10.10.254. This is how DHCP tells, okay, uh, this is how you can go to the internet. Click next, or not just the internet, to get out of the network. Here it looks all good. Next, we don't have wins. Next, yes, I want to activate this scope. Next, finish. Right click on it and refresh. Right click over here. So what happens in hot standby is one DHCP server is the active server. It handles all the DHCP requests. The other one is standby server. It stays idle but continuously synchronizes lease information with the active one. If the active server fails, the standby server automatically takes over and start leasing IPs, ensuring clients don't lose connectivity. But we are not using this one. We are using load balance. So both of them will be active at the same time, and one client would go to DC0, the other client would go to DC1, and this is how it will work. And over here, we need to give it a shared secret so that these two servers can communicate with each other. It's also for the security purpose. Let's just say that someone tries to install DHCP in your network, and you don't have any security, and somehow they are able to to install it. So if they don't have the shared key, then this DHCP will not talk to that other DHCP, the rogue DHCP one, you could say. Click next, finish, close, and here address pool, you can see 1 to 24, 100 to 120 IP addresses excluded from distribution. And here the scope. This is our router. This is our DNS 100.101, and here is our domain name. Let's go check our DC1 now. Go to Tools, DHCP, Open, Expand, Address Pool. Everything is being replicated over here. So this is the backup one. This is all for DHCP, and I will see you in the next video. Bye and take care.